We are passionate.
We are teammates.
We are fun.
We are Internet Creations.
Thank you for calling Acme Anvil. I see you've opened the support case with us. Can you walk me through the steps you've taken so far? Okay, yeah. Have you tried yelling at it?
Hi, I'm Howard Yermish, Director of Product at Internet Creations. We build native Salesforce applications that empower the world to deliver the perfect service experience every time. We are always asking ourselves, how can we make customer service better? Empowered agents are happy agents, and happy agents create happy customers.
Okay, so this was reported previously. All right, let me just sort through the other 8 cases we have here for you. If only there was a way we could merge these cases into one view.
We are revitalizing and expanding our product suite, and we are looking for a senior product manager to lead this charge. Ideal candidates will be hands-on in the strategic planning process. You will be immersed in how our Salesforce AppExchange products work. You will oversee product roadmap to manage future requests, and you will create prototype diagrams that demonstrate your back-of-the-napkin genius. Also, you will evangelize our products both internally and publicly, becoming a vocal advocate in the Salesforce ecosystem. If you have hands-on software as a service product management experience and thrive in an entrepreneurial work environment, then I would love to share more with you about this opportunity, as well as how Internet Creations has been named to the New Jersey Best Places to Work list for the last 5 consecutive years. Apply today to learn more.